Take a ride in the 2018 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, stability control, traction control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, child safety locks, trip odometer, trip computer, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.